Hey everybody, Tyler Hill, MarineMax Pompano Beach. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough of this brand new 2025 Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. Gorgeous white hull, navy blue lettering. This is one of our most popular models, great for the family. You can let the kids take it out, pass it down to the kids as they get older. It's a family heirloom. Nice galvanized trailer with swing tongue, stainless steel rub rail, with PVC insert, bimini top. It has a fishing package on it. It's got the bow cushions, the cooler seat option. Also has a built-in live well. Under the helm seat here, it's got the optional jump seats in the back that you can store away when you're not using them. We even put the Simrad and the JL audio system on this one. It's got the upgraded 115 Mercury with stainless steel prop. Nice concealed swim ladder. Such a great model. Again, this is a 2025 Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. Just arrived here at MarineMax Pompano Beach, your local Boston Whaler dealer. Give us a call today, 954-783-9555. Thanks for watching.